10 Best Kitchen Island and Trolley from IKEA. Kitchens contain lots of instant things. Noodles, rice, potatoes, oatmeal. For instant storage and worktop space, try a kitchen island or a kitchen trolley. Choose from our selection in various materials like steel, wood, or butcher's block. And go for wheels if you want roll anywhere convenience. 1. Vadholma Kitchen Island. This kitchen island has a pull-out drawer which closes softly and quietly thanks to its soft closing function. This Vadholma kitchen island gives you extra storage, utility, and workspace. You can store anything from cutlery and napkins to laptops and pens in the generous drawer beneath the worktop. 2. Tornviken Kitchen Island. Easily placed kitchen island with plenty of room for things like a microwave oven so you can use the space optimally. The backside is adapted for the cord and the sturdy drawer opens and closes easily. 3. Vadholma Kitchen Island with Rack. Gather around the kitchen island. Vadholma is the home's given meeting point and perfect when you cook together. Plenty of island and rack storage, and the butcher block gives you a robust workspace. 4. Sonursta Trolley. You can use this trolley in different ways, including as an extra work area in the kitchen, as practical storage in the hall, or as a different bedside table in your room. 5. Rimforsa. The natural bamboo wood creates a warm and vibrant expression that is combined with simple glass and steel. The Rimforsa gives you clutter-free workspaces with durable, easy-care materials. 6. Tornviken Kitchen Island Off-White. This kitchen island's drawer can be pulled out all the way, allowing you to view and access what's inside. Designed so that there's room for a microwave oven on one of the shelves and the backside is adapted for a cord and connector. 7. Nicephor's Trolley. This trolley fits in the smallest of spaces and can be moved to wherever you need it. Use it as extra storage for all your kitchen utensils, desk accessories, or for gloves, keys, and mobile phones. 8. For Hoja Kitchen Trolley. This trolley gives you extra storage in your kitchen. You can quickly view and access what's inside because the drawers can be pulled out from both sides. Open storage with space for 9 bottles on each shelf. 9. Rissatorp Trolley. Perfect for storing those fruits and veggies that are happier outside the fridge. The steel mesh ventilates so food keeps longer. Also handy as extra storage in the hallway, bedroom, or home office. 10. Stenstorp Kitchen Trolley. This trolley gives you more space to unload, serve, and store things. Keep it stationary or move it to where you need it. The wood top creates a warm, rustic look.